Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the adrenal. There are other videos that will show you all the different symptoms, so I'm not going to cover that, but just I'm going to cover some important things and then what to do if you have an adrenal issue. First of all, you need to know that the adrenal gland adapts the body to all stress states. It prepares the body and it adapts it for a stress state. The problem is all stress accumulates in the body, even from birth. So it's stuck there, and what we have to do is we have to extract all the body stress because it's still there. Even the injury on your head when you were 10, all that stuff is still there. It's almost as if your adrenals are reacting now, in present time, to old stuff. You have too many applications on your desktop computer that are running in the past that sucks energy from the adrenal in present time, making the adrenal not function correctly. The adrenal gland is unique and it has an outside and an inside. The outside is gland, the inside is all nerve tissue. So the nerves, it's called the flight or fight, like adrenaline type things. I'm not going to give you a lot on that right now, but the point is you need to know that this is where the hub of stress occurs. It's right on top of the kidney. You have the pituitary that controls on a feedback circuit back and forth. There are 2 acupressure techniques that you're going to learn, but you're going to need help on one of them because there's something advanced I'm going to show you that will really help chill out those adrenals, and I'll explain exactly how to do it. Now, what you have to do is there's several key things that we recommend in addition to the acupressure. The acupressure extracts the stress, but there's some nutritional things. B1, vitamin B1. The more stress you experience, the more vitamin B1 you deplete. The best source of B1 is in nutritional yeast. You can get it from the health food store. Try to find the one that is non-fortified, okay? And this will really help counter nervous tension and stress in your body. The way you know you're deficient in B1 is you have a lot of built up stress and you just want to explode. But my adrenal day formula has natural B1 in it because it's hard to find. So the adrenal day, when people take it, they just feel really calm. That's because of one of the things it has, which is B1. Okay. Now the other thing is potassium. Now even if you have a blood test, it's not going to show up because 98% of all your potassium is inside the cell, not in your blood. So your cells have to be severely depleted before it even shows up on a blood test. But potassium, the main function of potassium is to help support the nervous system. And when you don't have enough potassium, your anxiety, you have stress, you have nerve issues, it affects the heart. It's an electrolyte. It's very important into calming the body and helping things like restless leg syndrome. And so the way you get that is from the big salads. You ever see those big plastic things of salad that are like these squares? That's probably about 8 ounces. That's how much salad you need. That's 8 cups per day. 1 ounce per cup. So you need to start having more salads or vegetables to get the potassium in your body. Now a banana is 300 milligrams. You need 4,700. So forget the fruit. Okay, so adrenal fatigue formula. That's we have a product that's called adrenal fatigue formula. The new name is called adrenal night formula. It's the same formula. So you can take one before bed. That has certain nutrients to put you in a relaxed state so you can actually go to sleep at night. So we recommend that. And then adrenal day during the day because it has the natural Bs to actually extract, and a lot of other things too to help extract stress. As far as the exercise goes, we recommend low intensity things. You can do yoga, but walking is the best. Get out there and walk as long as you can because that really you need low intensity, lots of breathing to be able to pull out the stress. So this is the protocol for adrenal. And the next part, we're going to show you how to do acupressure on the adrenals. And then there's a last part, we'll show you some advanced things to do with the adrenal as well. But you're going to need someone else to do that on you. Okay? I hope this helped.